News that's coming in from the state of West Bengal now. There's a lot of violence against the Waqf law. 10 policemen have been injured in violence that is taking place across the state of West Bengal. Agitators hurled stones at police van. Police lathi charged, unruly mob, even tear gas was being used. The situation at the moment has been brought under control. Images that you are seeing on your screens are coming in from Murshidabad in the state of West Bengal.
We are in Suti in Murshidabad, and this is the first place where agitation started, and agitators initially started their protest from here, and they have blocked the National Highway 34. This is the National Highway 34, and agitators after Friday namaz have started agitating, and they have blocked the road. And when police came and tried to evacuate, then tried to clear the road, then the clash started between police and agitators, and the remnants of the clash is still here, though a lot of police personnel are deployed here at present. Rapid Action Force is deployed at present here, but it is the agitation which started from here. It went on to Shamsherganj, Dhulian, Jalangi, and a lot of places were burning last evening, and it went on for at least 3 to 4 hours, and several and huge massive police deployment came from Jangipur and from Malda, and then they will be able to they somehow calm down the agitators from Suti to Shamsherganj. Several police and massive police deployment is here. Rapid Action Force personnel are also here. With camera person Shyam Sundar Ghosh, this is Anupam Mishra for India Today in Suti, Murshidabad.
हम साजिर मोड़ गए थे, साजिर मोड़ का फरसा ताजू लेके घूमता है, एक एम्बुलेंस पूरा दिया है, पेट्रोल पंप था बंद था।
आप कहाँ छुप के बैठे हुए थे?
है छुप के घर में बैठा, तो घर में बीवी बच्चे बाल बच्चे सबको भांगा कर दिया, बाबा मत जाओ, इसके पकड़ के लेके तब ने फिर तू बेटी को बोला हम मर जाएंगे, तू यहाँ रहे। हम साजिर मोड़ से आया, साजिर मोड़ गए थे रात को, देखा बहुत तारुआ लेके गुंडा वाली स्थानीय लोग है, सब बाहर का कोई नहीं है, बाहर का है दो